Let's talk about clarifying. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Noelia, and please take a second to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss another video. So as you guys saw from my musical intro, we are going to be talking about clarifying. Now, I get this question very often. You guys always ask me, how many times do I clarify my hair? A month, a week? Like, what is my clarifying routine? So I'm here to share with you guys what is clarifying, first of all. How many times a week do I clarify, and some of my favorite clarifying shampoos. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, keep on watching. Okay, so I want to jump right into this video because I don't want to make it super duper long. So a lot of you guys ask me, what is my clarifying routine? Do I clarify my hair? What products do I use? All of that. So first I'm going to start off by explaining what clarifying is. So clarifying is when you use a shampoo to remove all the buildup, silicones, oils, all of that from your hair. You always need to have a shampoo that will like strip your hair, but not actually strip it from its natural oil. So it'll remove all the buildup, all the whatever you've been piling up on it all week. I know when it comes to clarifying, a lot of people's heads go straight to sulfates. Do I use sulfates in my clarifying routine? What is that about? So fun fact, you don't have to use sulfates to clarify your hair. Hear me out. A lot of people do use sulfates because that is probably the most stripping agent that you can add to your hair. So two commonly known harsh sulfates are sodium lauryl sulfate, which is an SLS, and then sodium laureth sulfate. That's commonly known as an SLES. These are two commonly known harsh sulfates that are found in your drugstore shampoos and your high-end shampoos, known to really cleanse and clarify your hair. So like I said, sulfates tend to really dry out your hair, so it's important if you do use sulfates to clarify your hair that you follow up with moisturizing products moving forward. Now, if you'd rather go the sulfate-free route when it comes to clarifying your hair, like me, there are options for you. Now, sulfate-free shampoos often contain surfactants in them that help thoroughly cleanse your hair without leaving it dry like sulfates would. Those are the ingredients that typically give us that lather and gives us that foamy feel when we shampoo our hair. I'm going to list out a few ingredients that you might commonly see in your sulfate-free shampoos that are very gentle when it comes to cleansing your hair. I'm going to share with you guys some of my favorite sulfate-free clarifying shampoos. Now, quick disclaimer, two of them I actually don't have on me right now, both of which are in my house. I just have absolutely no idea where they are. Actually, three of them. Two are in my house and one I do not have. I need to like literally restock on it. But when I have other ones, I don't restock unless I need it, because since I have these, I'm fine. But these are five that I feel are amazing. And I feel like, you know what, even though I don't have them, I'm gonna share it with you guys anyways because they're bomb and I've used them and we stand. So I'll start off with the ones I don't have in front of me. And the first one I'm gonna share with you guys is the Camille Rose Clean Rinse Moisturizing and Clarifying Shampoo. This one right here was actually sent to me, I wanna say about a year ago. I remember trying it and I was like, wait, hold on. This is making my hair feel really clean and my hair feels really soft. What's good? I also started looking at the ingredients and realized it actually contains honey as well, so it makes 100% sense. It's a natural humectant, and honey and my hair, best friends. What I also like about this shampoo is that it also contains peppermint oil, and anybody who knows me knows any scalp stimulating oil and me, best friends. Like anything peppermint, tea tree, eucalyptus, sign me up. Because with this shampoo, a little also does go a long way, and it does really deeply cleanse your hair without making it feel stripped. The shampoo actually comes with 8 ounces and it goes for $14. So if you're looking to try something from Camille Rose, highly recommend this clarifying shampoo. And the next shampoo that again, I don't have on me, but I know I have it. It's in my basement somewhere. So my basement is what I use for storage, and it has a bunch of space. I have shelves and everything, but I do have a lot of products like in bags because I do have to buy another shelf. And I know that that's one of the products that's probably in a bag, but I could not find it. So I'm like, you know what, whatever. So the next product is the Kinky Curly Come Clean. This is an OG shampoo. Those who know. Kinky Curly, don't sleep on Kinky Curly. It just makes your hair feel really clean. It's very lightweight. If you are sensitive to scents, this is a good one because it just has a light citrusy scent, very similar to the Kinky Curly Not Today, how it doesn't smell like anything, but it just has so much slip and it's super underrated. What I am seeing is that it also contains phytic acid, which is amazing when it comes to those who actually have hard water or well water at home. It helps remove all the minerals that are built up on your hair, so I like that. I didn't know it had that, and I actually have well water, I believe, so I already have a filter when it comes to my shower head, but that water be aggressive on my hair, that's all I'm gonna say. It leaves you drier. So notice that when I wash my hair anywhere else but my house, it's different. And I actually have filters to make sure I filter out any of the minerals that are actually in my water. But this shampoo also contains 8 ounces and it runs for $10.99. So check them out. And the next shampoo I'm going to talk about, which I know I have, and I have videos on this one as well. You guys have to go back and check it. It's a whole bounce curl video. This might be one of my absolute favorite bounce curl products. And I've said this so many times because I absolutely love this shampoo. Like, this shampoo is amazing. It's the Bounce Curl Gentle Clarifying Shampoo. Everything. It is everything in a bag of chips because it leaves your hair so soft. I really like the way it smells, and it's just very light, very sweet. And I think it's actually kind of funny that it does say that it's like a gentle, like kind of like not a foamy shampoo, but she lathers up real nice. The product also contains pomegranate and pumpkin enzymes, which helps revitalize and exfoliate your scalp. You know what they say about a healthy scalp? Healthy hair growth. So yeah, I overall really love this shampoo. I also love that it has a, what's the tip? The squirt tip that's like that you just apply it directly to your scalp. I don't typically use it, but I do like that option. I like that I have the option, but I love that shampoo. Like 10 out of 10, highly recommend. And the next shampoo, you guys know I never shut up about her. It's the Trader Joe's Tea Tree Tingle Shampoo. This right here. She is safe to use every single time you wash your hair. She cleanses, she clarifies, she makes your scalp feel amazing, she revitalizes, she is just everything. And she's under $5. Like, what's not to love? Honestly, Trader Joe's just needs to make me the face of this shampoo already because I hype this shampoo up so hard. I know a lot of you guys have told me you've purchased it and you've loved it. I just love this shampoo. Honestly, and you know what's crazy? I actually discovered this shampoo from me needing to find a sulfate-free shampoo when I did my keratin treatments. And I remember that I went to Trader Joe's once and I saw that they had this in stock. I was like, oh, she's cheap. I was broke at the time, so I was like, let's just buy this. And ever since then, we've just been a match made in heaven. Honestly, I don't even have to say much about it. You guys already know how I feel about it. She contains peppermint, tea tree, and eucalyptus. Need I say more? And the next one I'm going to talk about is the Eden Body Works Peppermint Tea Tree Shampoo. Now, she's new, as you guys can see. I just purchased a new one because, first of all, the name, peppermint and tea tree. I already got sold on that. This is another shampoo that cleanses your hair really nicely and very thoroughly. This one lathers up really nicely. It smells very light, so if you're sensitive to scents, imagine it just being like a very light minty scent. It's not aggressive, but it does really feel invigorating on your scalp. And your hair just does not feel stripped, does not feel hard. I love this shampoo. You will definitely feel a deep, clean feel once you finish using this shampoo. So this contains 8 fluid ounces and runs for $8.99. So if you needed a sign to try anything from Eden Body Works, this is your sign. This is it. Okay, and the last shampoo, it's not really a shampoo, but I'm gonna share it with you guys anyways because I shared this as my face wash in a few videos ago, and a lot of you guys have said you relate, you have used it, you love it. Okay, quick disclaimer, this is not a shampoo, but it can be used as a shampoo. You just have to dilute it because this is a very concentrated formula. So, I have spoken about this product, love this product. It works for everything. It is the Dr. Bronner's Pure Castle Soap in the Peppermint scent. This right here. I absolutely love me some Dr. Bronner's, man. If I feel that my scalp needs like a super intense cleanse, this will do its job at cleansing and stripping and all the hair stuff. So I do feel like this doesn't leave your hair soft. This does not leave your hair like super soft and fluffy, nah. This is one of those clarifying shampoos that you'll feel like it clarified your hair. Line like sulfate clarify, but it doesn't feel like straw. It still feels soft, but it doesn't feel like any of the other 4 that I spoke about. But I know a lot of you guys are weird like me and you really sometimes just want to cleanse, like a real good cleanse. She's good. Now I can show you guys how I use this product. You do not use this product from palm to scalp, absolutely not. This is very, very, very abrasive. You wanna make sure that you dilute this product because she is very, very concentrated. This is the same one that I believe I showed in that video like 6-7 months ago. This is how much I have left. Like, this is a lot. Like, this is a lot. I mean, it'll last me quite some time. I think that whole bottle cost me $16. But again, it lasts you like 6 months. So like I never really purchase it often. I maybe purchase it 2-3 times a year. So yeah, that's like one of my like secret clarifying shampoos. I don't share it because it's not necessarily a clarifying shampoo, but I've realized that in my little community here that a lot of you guys are like me. So if you guys have it at home and you've ever wanted like a deep, deep, deep cleanse, and you want me to show you how I use Dr. Bronner's as a shampoo, maybe I'll make that a video. I might actually make that a video because I feel like a lot of you guys might be curious now. You might be like, what? Because a lot of people use this to clean. Like, you could clean your house with this. You can do whatever you want with this soap. Like, you could wash your body with this. I love me some Dr. Bronner's. Like I said, I wash my face with this, but I have a video on how I do that. So do not just palm to face. That's just not a thing. This is very abrasive. But if you guys want to see how I use my Dr. Bronner's in my hair, in my face, like all of that, I'm happy to make a video for you guys. But yeah, guys, that is all for today's clarifying video. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. But that's all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.